This is 60 at Charlie Bravo 01, Northern Ireland, listening, over. Any more calls? CQDX 11 meters. CQDX 11. CQDX 11 meter bomb. 60 at Charlie Bravo 01, Northern Ireland. 60 at Charlie Bravo 01, Belfast, Northern Ireland, listening, over. Sugar Delta 327, is that correct?
630, 600 upstate New York.
Here, thanks, 327, thanks for calling in.
Got 600 upstate New York.
See it, Charlie Bravo 01.
Contact on the
Your name is Bob, Beirut, Ocean, Beirut. Location here is Belfast City.
Okay, I think you said Belfast, Ireland, I believe you said there. You sound good here in North Carolina. We are Mobile. Mobile here in North Carolina. You have a beautiful signal here in my Mobile, so I thank you for the call there. Name here is Scott, Sierra, Charlie, Oscar, Tango, Tango. Scott in Raleigh, North Carolina. Over.
North Carolina, you're sighting good here also at your mobile. Beautiful signal there, Scott, on your mobile. You're 5455, 54 to 55, Scott, on your mobile. Sighting good out to Belfast today, over.
Well, I sure do appreciate that there, because you sound real good here also. It's this is the first time I've talked to Ireland in many years there, Bob. So I appreciate you giving me a call. Thank you for picking me up, and I'll let you make some more contact before the band changes on you there. So good luck to you. 73, best DX to you. 192, North Carolina, Mobile.
92, Mobile, North Carolina. All the best. The time over here is 18 minutes past 9 o'clock. 18 minutes past 9 o'clock in the evening, and the temperature is 11.5 degrees here in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Okay, Scott, thanks for coming back to call. Sounding good on the mobile. 192, Mobile, 73 from Belfast, Northern Ireland. 60 at Charlie Bravo 01, listening. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for the call. It's 91 degrees Fahrenheit in Raleigh, North Carolina. 192, North Carolina. 73.
82 degrees. Okay, you're sighting good, Scott. Certainly much warmer over there than it is here. 73 from Belfast. Bye-bye.
Roger, Roger. 73. 192 is clear.
Charlie Bravo 01, Northern Ireland. 60th Division. Charlie Bravo 01. Northern Ireland, over. Returning. Hey, Roger, on now. We do have a little bit of QR Mary on this end, but you made it right over the top. Nice sounding mobile there. Hopefully you have a good